Amber Portwood went over to Gary and Kristina's to see Leah during the November 2nd episode of Teen Mom OG, but it turned out to be a very quiet dinner. Amber Portwood's daughter Leah has no interest in repairing their fractured relationship. The 12-year-old made that very clear during the November 2nd episode of Teen Mom OG, when Amber went over to ex-Gary Shirley and his wife, Kristina's, house to see Leah and join them for dinner. But when Amber asked Leah about a movie she was gushing over, Leah didn't show much interest in entertaining the conversation. Then, to make matters worse, Leah finally started describing the movie she was talking to her sister about, and it sounded eerily similar to their current, real-life situation. It's about a girl, who is 5. Then, her mom is hit by a car. So then, the mom is a demon and tries to kill everybody. Then, the mom was trying to take the girl from the dad, Leah said, as we wondered whether she was making the whole thing up and sees her mom as a demon. Obviously, Amber was never hit by a car and she doesn't try to kill everybody, but she is always verbally attacking Gary and Kristina, so maybe there's a correlation? Or, we're totally overthinking this. Either way, the scene was hard to watch. Amber ended up leaving the dinner rather abruptly and later told her producer that she wasn't satisfied with the way things went. Still, she said she'll keep showing up and proving to Leah that she's not going anywhere, so we'll see how that plays out. Later, Caitlin Lowell and Tyler Baltira explained Carly's adoption to daughter Nova, and it seemed to have gone well because when they asked her if she wants to have kids one day, she said she didn't know. They laughed and told her it was a good answer before recording a video of her signing happy birthday to Carly. Then, when they sent the video to Carly's parents, Carly's mom asked Tyler and Caitlin if they'd be interested in planning a hangout with Carly. They, of course, said yes, and we'll see that go down next week. Related gallery. Amber Portwood and Andrew Glennon, pics of the former couple. Meanwhile, Cheyenne Floyd found out that she will likely be induced for the safety of her baby. She also learned that her sister is pregnant and staying in Los Angeles, so their new babies will now grow up together. Finally, Macy Bookout made healthy lifestyle changes to help manage her PCOS. Don't hate us, but we miss having Ryan Edwards on the show. At least their drama was interesting to watch, and after celebrating Bronx's graduation from pre-K, Mackenzie McKee and husband Josh faced a decision on whether to hold Jaxie back from 2nd grade. Josh thought it'd be a good idea, but Mackenzie wanted to wait another year before making that decision. Want more drama? New episodes of Teen Mom OG air Tuesdays at 8 p.m. on MTV.